It is a beautiful morning. Laira and Emma are walking in the park. They are best friends. They love exploring new places. Laira sees something near a tree.
Emma, look. I see a small kitten. Oh, the kitten looks scared. Maybe it is lost.
The little kitten is alone. It is looking around and making a soft sound.
Poor kitten. We should help it. Yes. We can find its owner.
Laira and Emma sit near the kitten. They do not scare it. They speak softly.
Hello, little kitten. Don't worry. We are your friends. Look, Laira. The kitten has a small collar. Really? Maybe there is a name on it.
Emma carefully looks at the collar. She finds a small tag.
The kitten's name is Coco. Coco is a cute name.
Laira and Emma walk around the park. They ask people about the kitten.
Excuse me. Are you looking for a kitten? Its name is Coco.
After some time, they hear a voice.
Coco, where are you? Look, Emma. Someone is calling Coco. Let's go and ask her.
The girl is Coco's owner. She was searching for her kitten.
Thank you for finding Coco. You are welcome. We are happy that Coco is safe. Today was a happy day. Yes. We helped a little kitten find its home. Helping others feels wonderful. A small act of kindness can make a big difference.
Laira and Emma walk home with happy hearts. They smile because they made someone's day better. Remember, kindness always brings happiness.